Hey guys, welcome to Car Diary. So today we are at Llama Engineering and Race Engine. So this is not a usual standard workshop. So they build racing cars.
So this is a very specialized workshop for just for engine race engines. So if you're interested about racing and things, just come pay them a visit. Yeah, they're friendly people here. So this is one hell of a machine here. So in the further down this video, there will be a dyno run of this car. So keep watching the video. And this car is built by Llama Engineering. Yeah, it's a fascinating beast. So keep watching the video. You will see the dyno running in this car. Today we had Llama Engineering, so this is the owner. So tell us about what you guys do here, so what kind of a workshop?
So we think of ourselves as a high-performance engineering facility. So we cover a lot of disciplines, from the very high-end engineer who's exceptionally good with designing and solving problems and making custom bespoke parts.
Customized.
Yeah, so any issue that needs engineering, we can rectify. High-performance Evos, R32 Skylines, Subarus. So we're very much a bespoke custom builder. So we sit down with the client, we interview them, we find out what they want, we come to understand their expectations, and then try and find a package to deliver.
So yeah, it's a customized engineering shop. If you have any inquiries, contact them please.
Yep.
Thank you.
Cheers guys,
Cheers.
Thank you very much, have a great day. And
use these earplugs because she's gonna fire up that V-dub. So let's see how loud is that. Okay. now we are inside the workshop, guys. So as you can see, these guys are very equipped and they know what they're doing. So this shop is all about making race cars.